zo. Hey. Perfect. Goed zo, jongen. Nou, doe maar. Terug. Terug. Goed zo. Super. Waar is hij? Hallo? Kom. Goed zo, braaf. Ja. Goed zo, nee. Kom maar. En terug. Goed zo. Hey, braaf. Goed zo. Braaf, hey. Oké, that's it. Hey, Yveske. Bella, what did you do? Hey. What? Yveske? Kom maar. Goed zo, kom maar. Kom maar, Yveske. Goed zo. Oh. Goed zo, braaf, Yveske. Hé, Boukje. Kom maar. Nou, kom maar. Goed zo, kom maar. Goed zo, Boukje. Hey. Kom maar. Goed zo. Hey. Goed zo. Braaf, hè? Hey. Yveske? Doe maar. Terug. 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 Goed zo, braaf. Goed zo. Goed zo, braaf. Kom maar, terug. 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 Goed zo, braaf. Hé, hey, Blomke. Boukje. Doe maar terug. 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 Hé, hey, Blomke. Hey, Bella. Oké, goed zo Belle. Kom maar. Oh, Boukje. Kom. Terug. Goed zo. Nee. Kom maar. Yveske? Kom maar. No. Hey Boukje. Oh. Goed zo. Nou, Blomke, you too? Hey, goed zo. Nee, Boukje. Terug. Kom maar. Nee, Boukje. Toe. Terug. Terug. Nou, terug. Kom maar, Blomke. You can do it too. Kom maar. Nee, Boukje. Hey, toe. Nee. Hey, Belle. Hey, Blomke. Kom maar, Boukje. Terug. Terug. Nou, ga maar in de box, jongens. Oké. In de box. Doe maar, Yveske. In de box. Okay, perfect. And I'm here with Bella. Kom. Oh, braaf. Nou, ga dan maar even in de box. In de box. Kom op. No. No. Hey Bella. Kom maar. Goed zo, Bella. Yesterday, she also walked on a trailer like this, without a halter, without any help. So later I thought I'd do it with a halter. And then I was busy for about an hour, I think, to get her on the trailer. And now she's just walking here. I don't get it. Oh, braaf. Blomke, she was a bit afraid yesterday. Maybe. Hey, Blomke. Kom maar. Braaf, goed zo. Braaf. Hey. Hey Bella. Peach? What are you doing? Hey. Come on in the box. Hey, in the box. Oh, no. Kom. Good morning, Sally. And I make a new braid. I have to comb it. And after that, we go to the vet. What? Yes, we do. We're going to check if her mouth is still good. Because 2 weeks ago, they took out a tooth. So, it's just a check. Beautiful. Sally,
We have been there 2 weeks
2
ago.
weeks ago, I think. And now we have to check if is everything going okay. But I think so.
Yes, she didn't have any problems.
No, it only smelled a bit, but they said it's normal. I contacted them and they said it's normal and it has to go better from the inside and like that. And there we are. Nou, ze is goedkeurig, hè?
Super! Sally! Kom maar meisje. Kom maar.
Hallo.
Je wordt nog. Goed zo. Ja. There we go again.
Yes.
It was a very quick visit.
Yes, perfect. Happy. That it is okay. Yes. Mm.
Hey, Macy. Hi. Hi. Hey, Kiki. Oh, there's a horse standing. He's loose or.
I think Bauke is working in the stable.
Oh! And of course, you have help. Oh, 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 oh. Zo, ik hem net. Ja, los.
Ja, wacht ze nog. Yay.
Back in the stable again.
Yes. Better. Sally. Tyrone. I don't like it when the horses are digging holes. Rijntje en Dolly. En Rijsie. Sally. Blomke, Boukje en Belle. No, it's Yveske. Okay, sorry. This is Yveske and behind is Boukje. Hey. This morning I let the horses inside because it was raining and raining. And now it's dry and they can be outside. Denk eraan. Ja. Yes, Reisi starts kicking at Tyrone because Tyrone is a bit annoying. Randje says go away. And Sally is eating here. She thinks, oh, why? Hey, Sally. Dolly. Ah! Rijsie. Goed zo, braaf jongen. Let op. Draf. Draf. Goed zo. Braafje. Goed zo. En stappen. Stappen. Goed zo. Braaf. Draf. En let op. Galop. No. No. Galop. Goed zo. Goed zo, bravo. Good so. Always when he is in canter and he is over there, he wants to go to the stable, and that's why he is changing his canter with his hind legs, so he can move better to the right. But I try to hold him here on this side of the arena, so he don't go over that side, if you know what I mean. We try again. Let op. Galop. Galop. Kom, galop. That's what I mean. Kom, kom, kom. Goed zo. Kom. Let op. Galop. Kom. Goed zo. Well, he wasn't countering anymore, if I say that the right way. So he did go to trot, and actually I don't like that because I want him to stay in canter. But I did like he didn't go to the outside. So next time maybe it's better. Hi. And it's raining. So it's well, it's nice, but hey. Hello? Stay there, please. Reisje don't mind at all. Okay, he was a bit sweaty and because of the rain he was a bit wet. A little bit. So I thought he can wear a rug. A rug? A blanket? A deck. Come. Yes, I have to get some pellets. Just wait a moment, okay? Hey, Tyrone. He's a bit dirty because of the sand. Hey, Sully. Sorry, it's what I see. Yveske. And behind is Boukje. And Boukje was in the trailer. Alone. Blomke. Hey Bella. Goed zo. Hey. Oops. Bella? No. Hey Yveske. Goed zo. Kom maar. Goed zo. Maar Yveske. No. Okay, actually I don't have any time anymore. Reisje? Where are you? Hey! Goed zo! That's funny. He suddenly did go into the trailer by himself. Nou, kom maar, in de box. In de box. Kom maar. In de box. Kom maar. In de box. In de box. Goed zo. That means go into your stall. Yes. Tyrone? Hallo? Hey. Goed zo. Kom maar, terug. No? Hey. Braaf. I give him a treat. Hey. Goed zo, braaf. Goed zo. Oké. Braaf. Goed zo. Braaf. Nou, terug. 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 Braaf. Super. Perfect. Well, I took all the horses out of their stalls to throw the poop in the back, and all the horses were on the trailer, except Rijntje and Sally, because they already know. So I opened Tyrone his stall, and he walked into the trailer. So, yes, just like Reisi. And some of the others. Boukje is always walking in the trailer. And Belle did great. And I have to help Blomka and Yveske. Hey. Oh, I'm just too late. I said to him, in a box, and he walked in the trailer. Okay, come. Hello. Oeh, be careful. Kom maar. Goed zo. Yeah. Oh, Peach. Don't be that mean. Toe. Sure. Goed zo. Hey. Nou, in de box. In de box. Kom op. Nee. In de box. Yes. Goed gedaan, hé. Goed zo.